Billy, after a tough run in the league recently, that was a big win today.
Big win, and I think worthy winners. The way we played today, the lads took on the tactical information and executed it really well. I was really pleased when the second goal went in. There was always that sort of caginess towards the end because Barri, they're a very good team, very strong and physical, certainly from set plays. So when Max hit the post and it went across goal, you're thinking, is it going to come? But the way Barri were pushing for the equaliser, gaps started to open up, and really pleased that Sam finished it off with the second goal. But I think before that, George made a vital save.
In terms of that race for 7th place, was today a must-win game?
Said that to the players. Put it bluntly. I think if you lose today, your season's over. You've given too much of a gap to Barri. But what a statement a win could do. And I say we were worthy winners.
Andy, when I last spoke to you a couple of weeks ago, you targeted these games against Connah's Quay as the games you couldn't lose really in this race for 7th place. In terms of that, you're obviously very disappointed.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you've got to give credit to the opposition. Thought they came today played with aggression. Disappointed with the goals. Only one shot in the first half they got, and they managed to put it away. So second half we had a little bit of a go, a little 20-minute spell, but on the counter-attack they looked dangerous every time. So yeah, we are disappointed, but we go again. I think we're 5 points ahead of them now, so it's vital we try and get a result when we play them again.
You're one of a number of new faces in the squad in the last couple of months. It seems that that really has freshened things up in terms of competition for places in the team.
Yeah, like I said, it's competition, so it means people have to fight for the starting lineup, and it only helps the squad, only helps the team to push, like you said, for the 7th place, and we need to push Barri. So all the additions have been strong, and it's helping us as a squad.
I've said that you've just come in. You got your first goal today, but the Nomads are set to lose you for a period again in the next couple of weeks because you'll be away on international duty with Sri Lanka. I'm pretty sure I'm correct in saying you're the first Sri Lankan international to score in the Cymru Premier. But tell us more about that. How did that come about?
Yeah, it came about last year. My mum's Sri Lankan, so managed to get sorted and go and play for them. We've got a big year ahead of us. We're trying to push to qualify for the Asian Cup. We've got South Asian Cup as well, so we're excited. We've got a tough game in the next few weeks against Thailand, hopefully in front of a big crowd. So yeah, it's all exciting stuff for us. We've got a strong squad, and yeah, let's hope for a good year with them.